All right, welcome to our PC build for our special friend over here, Pinhead Josh.
I'm the zip tie man.
He's a zip tie man today. Anyways, put down my keys over here. Anyways, we are building a PC for him today. So you can see we got our parts displayed right here. We're just gonna do a time lapse probably of the build as well. But I am gonna be explaining some of the parts that we chose, that I personally chose for him, because this man doesn't know shit. Anyways, we'll start off with the most important part. First of all, we had a specific budget for this, so we couldn't just go all out, obviously. But if anyone wants to sponsor us, Intel or AMD, looking at you, we would love a sponsor. But anyways, or Nvidia, yeah, I would take Nvidia as well, to be honest. But anyways, that's Asus. But yes, in terms of parts, we went with a Ryzen 5 7600X right there. Should be more than enough for him. He's only gaming at 1080p anyway. For the motherboard, we are going to be going with the B650E Wi-Fi motherboard, so you are going to have Wi-Fi now. Whoa! Don't use Wi-Fi though. It's garbage. Don't use Wi-Fi. Garbage. Just use Ethernet. Wait, you still have to use Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Fuck. Well, okay. I guess you just use Wi-Fi. Wire that shit if I were you. Anyways, next one. We're going with the power supply. We have the Be Quiet Pure Power 12M. It's an 850 watts, so it's slightly actually overkill for his PC build, but I did get a good price on it, so I might as well go with that one. With the RAM, we are going with the Corsair DDR5 32GB. It's only 5,200 megahertz. It's one of the lower ones, but again, we were on a budget, so I chose, I think, the best one for his budget that we can go with. Next one, for the SSD. Where did I put the SSD at? Oh, SSD is right here. It's not in really a package because I got this also on a special deal.
Special deal for your special needs.
But anyways, we are going with the NV2 Kingston. It's not the best. Again, it should be good. It should be more than enough for him. For anyone that doesn't know, he is upgrading from a fucking potato. Pretty much. It's bad. Pretty bad. We did like upgrade it by adding in more RAM back like last year or something like that. But yeah, it didn't help too much, to be honest. Enough to basically, like, it was like, you know, the going merry with the last fixes. That was it.
Yeah.
And then that was the going merry, just pushing through the last month, and then now we're building the 1000th Sunny. Finally went, but yes, graphics card wise, we are going with a 4060 GeForce RTX 4060. Got it at a pretty decent price as well, actually. But again, more than enough for him. 1080p gaming, more than enough. I also went with a 240 Thermalright black ARGB cooler. Yes, it's the Thermalright. It's the Frozen Knot is what it's called. Also got it at a good deal. I got good deals. I got the deals. You know what I mean? And I just got him some fans. Scored him some fans, some fractal fans there. Yeah, they're pretty decent. It is gonna be a pretty decent build. We are gonna be using my old case for him as well. It is a nice case. Actually, it's not a bad case. It's a pretty decent case.
We'll display it here.
Yeah, we'll display it here when we're doing the. Actually, you wanna go grab it? You wanna go grab it? You're not doing anything shit anyway.
Yep.
While I'm talking here, we'll fucking grab that shit, you little shit.
My old PC crap after.
Yeah, we also showed the sticker bomb PC. Actually, it didn't look bad at all, like your PC, but
It's a fucking potato.
yeah, we probably should have cleaned this a little bit more because I dusted it out last time, but
You did it pretty
yes, this is what we're going with. All things considered, it is pretty decent. It is not a bad. It's covered in fingerprints, but it's not a bad. But you're like, yeah. There you go. Yes. But anyways, Yeah, that's the case we're gonna go with. It's nothing too crazy. We will see you guys in a bit when we build this. This is gonna be a long one. All right, we're gonna start it off obviously with the motherboard. The motherboard right here, and we got the RAM, CPU, SSD. So we're gonna build our platform first. Then we're gonna do some wiring for the case. That's gonna be taking a while. But anyways, let's move on to this. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the CPU is installed. Yay! And just like that, we have the RAM sticks installed.
Rainbow stick in my ass!
Woo! Next up, SSDs. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the platform is built. Yes. Yes, we got the CPU on, got the RAM sticks installed, got the SSD installed. We are gonna put fresh windows in it.
With like build windows?
Is that it, man? Huh?
With like build windows and carpenter?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are we gonna
Yeah.
get sand and make
Alright. We're just gonna show off Josh's old PC real quick.
This is one of the side panels I just took off. It's trying to get it.
Actually, some really cool stickers on there. I'm not gonna lie to you. There are really cool stickers on there. But if you want to lift it real quick and show them the components, because
Oh yeah.
this is kind of... Holy fuck, what the hell even is this?
Oh yeah!
Yeah, that shit is dusty as hell,
Oh,
too.
yeah, it's dusty and it's old and grotesque.
It's old. I've never even heard of that brand for the power supply, I'm not gonna lie. It's got the spaghetti cables for the power supply, and it's got a stock cooler on the CPU. So, and that is a tiny cooler, I'm not gonna lie to you.
This
So
computer's also at least, I want to say, like 8 years old.
this is probably more, to be honest with you. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I think you got it the second hand. But
No, I definitely did.
oh, also you got the same fans. You see these fans at the front?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm the one who
Yeah,
installed
you
it.
put this one into this one.
You're right.
Yeah.
But anyways, yes, that is his old PC. On the outside, it didn't look that bad, but yeah, it is gonna have to go. Yep. More stickers on there.
I got a little patch here left to be filled. It's okay.
But
It served its purpose. It did me good for about 8 years, and to start my YouTube career for about 6 months. So
yeah, for sure. But now, this is the Going Merry, and then we're gonna build 1,000 Sunny. Hopefully that works. But
thanks for coming.
fucking pray. Let's go. All right. Put it on the side.
Thanks.
Getting the cooler installed now. We're just flipping the fans because we're gonna have that on the front as intake fans. Alright, we have our cooler installed. If you want to take a video of it. To be honest, I don't want to lift it. Actually, I'm gonna have to lift it anyway, so hold on. So far so good. So far so good. I think it's looking good. It's got a lot of black accent to it. Know what I mean? I like. Hey, it starting to look good. So we'll see. Alright, got to the halfway point. We have all the fans installed and the AIO. I gotta do some wiring in the back here. Looks like a rat's nest. But I'm gonna do the wiring on the fans, and then we're gonna go with the power supply. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. So we'll see you in the next one. Alright, it's not the best because I don't got a lot of space to work with in the back here, but I'm gonna have to work with the power supply. He's opening the power supply now, and it's gonna be an interesting one, so we'll see what happens with this one. we ran into a bit of problems. Case is so fucking small. To unscrew the top of the motherboard, lift it up a bit, just so I can get the fucking 8-pin CPU in there. It is in there. I gotta get the 24-pin, and then we should be okay. All right, look at this man right here. Oh, unboxing his first graphics card, man, with the RTX 4060. How do you feel, man? Ice edition. So this card is gonna be white.
It's gonna be a white card?
It's a white card.
In my black box?
Yes.
A white card in my black box?
Yes. But yes, this is gonna be the...
Ooh, styrofoam.
Okay, okay.
Quick, guys, I don't need that. Ooh.
There it is,
Ooh,
baby.
That's like a little, like, kind of light bluish or something.
Yeah, take it out of the box. No, the that's the bag. That's the anti-static bag.
Ah, that makes
Fucking
perfect.
idiot. But yes, unseal that shit and vastness, beauty.
Be very careful with this. Alright, 1, 2,
That's very careful indeed.
3.
That's 3.
My giggity god!
Sure. Look at that, bro.
Look at that thing.
That thing does look good. I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna stand out on your build too.
Hell yeah, it is. I might just.
Hell yeah. It's fucking disgusting.
2 hours later.
All right, we're done. Boom, boom, boom.
John's expertise has certainly paid off as this fine beast is ready to go.
It is ready to go, but we gotta install Windows in it. If you do the honors, would you peel the cover on that cooler?
Absolutely, I will.
Sure.
You can see us right in it. Look at that son of a bitch right there.
All right, well, we'll plug it in, try to install Windows. We'll see what happens.
And this computer's gonna get going soon for some more recording content and in better quality to boot.
Yes, sir. It booted.
It booted. That's what it looks like right now.
It booted. Oh my lord.
She got the
My room is a
booty.
mess, but it booted.
It really is a mess. We got boxes and shit everywhere, but
It booted.
it booted. We're
That's what
gonna
we want.
get her going. We're gonna get her going.
All right. Fucking done.
It's fucking dead.
It booted. We were able to install Windows successfully. after fucking like 10 years because Windows is a piece of shit. Fuck you, Microsoft, suck my dick.
Yeah.
But anyways, we did get Windows installed. I'm just gonna have to install his fucking drive that we had to bootleg because for some reason in his old case, whoever sold that PC, they only gave him one type of screw in all of them, on the motherboard, on the graphics card, on this. It was all one type of screw. So
Yep.
that was a mess. But I'm gonna try to install this for him, see how that goes. But Windows boots, so that's good.
Amen, brother.
Amen, brother.
We did it.
We did it. We fucking did it, man.
You did it.
Most of it.
You did most of it.
You helped a little bit.
I held things together.
And, like keeping things steady.
Yes, and you
which
just-
helped a lot. But yeah, I'm tired.
I fucking both. Aren't we both? Well, yay!
Successful. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Bye bye.